Hi there, I'm Mike Enser, the Marketing Manager for Future Farm Technology Expo, and today we're in a wood. Hang on, lads, this is the wrong location. Can we cut it there? Yeah, cut it. Yeah, I know what I said, but my bad. What can I say? But we need to go to a. Yes, I know it's Sunday, but we need to move on. Yeah. Okay, lovely. All right, thanks. Sorry. Yeah, this is a lot better. This is kind of what I meant last time. I don't know where woods came from. I'm sure you said that. No, I'm sure you didn't in that meeting we had. Anyway, we'll start from here. Okay. Okay. Hi there. I'm Mike Enser, and I'm the marketing manager for Future Farm Technology Expo. And I'm standing in a field, an enormous field. But I'm no expert in this field. No, my expertise is a really small field down that way. But it's your expertise that I want to talk about. We at Future Farm Technology Expo are looking for speakers to come along and talk about the big subjects that farmers are facing. What happens post-Brexit, globalisation and data, and those consumer trends. These are the things that we're looking for, and there are a whole more other subjects that we're looking for as well, but just a little flavour there. So if you're an expert in your field and you have a burning desire to share your thought leadership, to share your knowledge and insights, then we'd love to hear from you. If you could use the link that's associated with this film, fill in the form, and really look forward to seeing you at Future Farm Technology Expo 2020. And thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your help. See, I told you this was much better, didn't I? Stupid idea, you going in the forest. Right, should have some lunch now. Yeah, okay, right, thanks.